Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to our new episode featuring bagong-bago natin na crossover. Ayan. So, here we are using the FDT 835. Kung familiar kayo sa 835 na crossover, yung ibang brand, yung pinagkopyahan natin, ito yon. So yan, active crossover, ito ng and okay, yan si FDT. So ito naka full, ito siya naka full to 100 Hz to 1 kHz sa times 1, tsaka times 10 is magiging times 10 1000 to 10k. Okay, so proceed to testing. Okay, testing tayo. Okay, first low output. So kung naka center siya, yan, at saka may konting tagilid, konti lang, hindi naman talaga ganyan, no? Kung nakaganyan, minus 2 dB. Ayan. So yan, so ganyan na natin para makita natin, pero pwede yan ay isagad dyan, no? Pwede din yung magtaas. Ayan, pwede pa up to, ayan, 16 dB. So wag tanggalin natin yung smooth. So walang smoothing. Yan, no smoothing. So balik natin yung gain. Yan, so down natin konti para makita yung wave. So siguro mga ayan. Okay, yan. So ito yung sweep niya, 100 to 1000. So sweep natin. Yeah, very responsive. No smoothing, ha? No smoothing. Yeah. So sa 100 na setting, eto, it's supposed to be minus 3 dB para makuha yung 100, and we have 99.6 Hertz at minus 3 dB. Ayan. Ayan, perfect. And then punta tayo sa maximum full ng ng rotation ng 1000 Hertz. It's supposed to be here, and we have 1.01 kilohertz. Accurate, man. Okay, so yun yung times 1. So merong button sa likod at iilaw yung range. Ito times 10. So yan, pag umilaw, so automatic yung 100 Hz natin is times 10, so it's 100 Hz, 1000 kilohertz. So yung nakita natin na so minus 3 dB below, nasa 843 Hz, so wala. So yung natin, yung 1 kilohertz is nasa minus 6 dB. Ayan. So tandaan nyo lang yan. Okay, so swing natin, full rotation, hopefully here minus, so yung times 10 niya is minus 6 dB. So tandaan na natin na minus 6 dB yung times 10. Parang nag-multiply din yun, no? Kasi nag-multiply din yung So yung drop para makuha mong ano yung ano yan, naka times 10 din eh. But anyway, supposed to be minus 3 dB. Ay, kalimutan ko, naka-login pala tayo. Yan. So we have 9.19 sa minus 3 dB, at saka dito naman is 914 3 dB. Okay, so acceptable. Off natin yung times multiplier. So dun tayo sa high output. Ito naman yung high output. Okay, so full, naka down yung ano natin, yung knob nasa around 102.5 hertz. 102.5 hertz. Yan, sa 3 dB. 3 dB minus 3 dB. And sa full niya is 1.17 kilohertz. Okay, sa high yun. And then sa multiplier, ayan, so high times 10, so 100 hertz, supposed to be 1 kilohertz. So hindi siya pumasok sa 1 key. Yan, nasa ano siya, 855.5 hertz. And full swing, yan, nasa minus 3 dB is around 10 kilohertz pasok. Okay, so dun tayo sa low ng left channel, ang channel 2. Kapakapa na lang kasi yan. Okay, gain. So yan. Okay, so we have here same, ganun pa rin, tsaka sa ano, sa low niya is 102.5, and then here around 1.13 kilohertz and multiplied. Okay, so basically yun lang, we stop there basically, pero may feature ito. Ayan, yung kagandahan ng ganito, yung ito mismong ito is pwede siyang mag mono. Ayan, meron siyang mono. So ano bang benefit ng mono? Ayan, so pag naka steady, ayun, ano pala tayo yan dito, high. Ayan, yung high, so obviously same lang, times 10, so ganun. So basically ganun lang yung high, cut off, same. So balik natin sa channel 2 low. And ito na magkakaalaman, channel 2 low, tandaan nyo. And yung input natin is channel 1. Okay, times 1 tuloy. Ayun, press natin yung, tandaan ha, kung gagamit kayo ng FDT crossover, yung channel 1 lang yung input, so yung channel 2 is output nya low. Press natin yung sum sa likod or sa mono stereo, activate yung mono. Yan, dito nyo na makikita ang mix signal. Yan, pwede ka mag boost. Ito na lang yung gain mo dito sa low, pero ang kagandahan nito is meron kang control sa iyong output using these two frequency sweep. Ayan, you know, pull down. Ayan. And oh yan, full down. Yan. So well, parang parametric na yung datingan niya. Ayan. Okay, so fully close here, fully close there. So ayan yung ano niya, yung peak point niya is 100 Hz yata. 100 Hz yan, pwede yun. Okay, so now kung gusto natin gawin sa mid, yan yung max, cut off natin sa mid, press mo lang yung multiplier ng dito, yung channel 2, at meron ka ng axis para sa mid, meron ng maximum cut off sa around 10K 9.19 9.38 kHz. Pwede mo pang i-sweep, ayan o. Okay, pwede mo pang i-sweep. Ayan, ganda niya, diba? So low pass filter nagmix high pass filter, naging by band pass. Yan, ayan o. So pwede ka mag ano dito, pwede ka mag multiple crossover, tsaka you can eventually do things like this. Ayan o, naka times 10, times 1, times 10 mix. So pwede ka mag multiple ano assignment ng output, like low mid high or low mid or mid low, ganun, using this crossover alone is very powerful. Ito yung gustong gusto ko talaga sa ganito eh. Ganda. And times 10. Yan yung monofunction niya. Pag naka-off naman yung monofunction, yan, babalik siya sa normal niyang gawain na magiging low pass filter. Yan. So yan, hope na-enjoy kayo as much as I do. So yung mga sound tech na kaibigan natin dyan, I'm sure ma-appreciate nyo yung FDT 835 as much as I do, because I really pick this kasi it is highly recommended ng kaibigan natin dyan sa copies. Shout out sa dalawang magkapatid na kaibigan natin, silang Boss Joseph as Boss Francis, na siyang gumawa ng PCB nito. Kinopya niya sa DOD 835, and we have this perfect output, and I already tried it to the SoundLogic yan SL SoundLogic Active with mic function at naka full, no humming whatsoever, and I am very proud of it. Thank you boss. It's really nice. Ito lang ho. Ayun. And thank you for watching guys, and advance Merry Christmas. Babush.